Hello Max, hope all's well. Okay, so here we are. Top deadbolt installed. Okay. Let's see it. Okay, so you can see it locking. Okay. Working pretty easy. Brand new parts installed. This is working. It's been placed here. Doors opening on the bottom. Now, the challenge I'm working on at the moment, right, is the lock. Here's the key for the top lock. Okay. Okay. See? Now if I go outside, make sure that's turned. Doors not opening. Can lock from the outside. I have to pull the door towards you a little bit, but it makes it. It's a good fit. Okay. Now, in terms of the skeleton key, there's the key. Skeleton key. Goes down here. Okay.